Hi, welcome to Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel. And I wanted to put a quick video up about the MOLNIA extra large travel backpack from Amazon. Currently, I think it's approximately $59.99, so 60 bucks. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'm going to try and do carry on basically, so I can leave the ship debarkation to make debarkation a lot easier. So we plan on just carrying our bags off instead of putting them out the night before to have them taken by the porters and then having to go pick them up, because we have to get back to the auto train in Sanford as soon as we leave the ship. So I am packing for an 11 night cruise, and we also will be spending the night on the auto train, going to and coming back. So this is the backpack. It's 47 liters. It's supposed to fit a 17.3-inch laptop according to the description, and it does come with packing cubes. And let me go in and show you the packing cubes. So there you go. There are the packing cubes. It comes with 4, 1 large, 1 large, 1 medium, 1 clear for toiletries, and a shoe bag. Let me open it up and try and show you what that looks like. So there's a clear toiletry bag and the medium bag, and the large bag. I normally don't use packing cubes, but it came with it, so we'll see if I can rock them. And there's the shoe bag. And it is expandable, 2 inches of expansion, and I believe it is already expanded. I think that's maybe the zipper that was, here. So in between here, that's the expansion. And I got the beige, and it comes in black and gray green, and it's water repellent polyester fabric. And of course, this is my first time. Well, I've used it before. This is my first time for a big trip. I've used it for like a weekend trip. So we'll see how I do. I haven't had it in pouring down rain, but it's not bad. It has a lot of pockets. It's really hard for me to kind of maneuver around it because it has so many zippers and pockets. There's a zipper there. I like the strap here. Then if you flip it back over, you also have the zipper here. I don't think I can try and do that with one hand. Another zipper here. So it's got another zipper. This in the back is where you can put the straps, the backpack straps, so you can actually use it with the handle here, or like a carrying kind of case. And it's got another zipper back here, some padding, and a I want to say, a sleeve. So I got a sleeve to go over your luggage handle. And I'm going to try and put all of that. And I will be doing laundry during the cruise. So, I didn't tell you where I was going. Drawing a total blank. Celebrity Edge. Celebrity Edge. We'll be on Celebrity Edge, Panama Canal cruise. So this is going to be warm weather. So I'm hoping that's going to help us out there with the room. So that's all the stuff that needs to go in. That's the backpack. And I'm going to, I got a video off of YouTube, of course. YouTube has so much information on how to roll. I'm actually going to roll them. I normally don't do it because it can be very your clothes can get really wrinkled from rolling. But I'm going to attempt to do it. And I might even video me trying to do it. And then I will definitely show you once I get everything into the backpack. So wish me luck. Thanks. Okay, I did open some of the zippers. So there is one of the zipper compartments. And it has even more compartments. And then here's the other zipper compartment, and that is the laptop sleeve. And it is cushioned. Even has like a little pocket here too. So laptop, and then another little sleeve that you could put like an iPad or whatever in. Okay, the video that I'm using to try and pack light, which is Buzzfeed Bring Me, that's the channel, video how to pack light for a long trip, and I will try and put a link in the description. But she only took like 3 pairs of shoes, and I was trying to pare it down, but I'm at 5. I'm at 5 pairs of shoes. I think those, they may not make it. Okay, I thought that I would show you the folding method that is used in the video that I was watching. This is not my first time. So hopefully I have it down pretty good. Oh, but you put the pants down first, fold it over halfway. Then the shirt goes down, and then you fold in the shirt on both sides into where the pants are. Then you can put your underwear. Sorry, you're seeing my underwear. But I like packing like this to keep everything like outfit. So your outfit is right there. And then you're rolling. Like I said, I do think that you do get wrinkles under this. But there's the roll. And I just unrolled one that I just rolled up. So you could see, here's the roll. This one was just rolled up. So, I don't know if I'm liking this one, liking this method, but there we go. And there's the packing cube. Yeah. Okay. This is everything. So let me show you what I packed. I put one of my dresses, extra underwear, swimsuits in this pack. These are all the shoes. The shoes that I didn't think were gonna go. They're in there. I had one that was in there that didn't need to go. It can go in the. I have a separate backpack for the tray. Toiletry bag. And I know I have another toiletry bag that did have to come out. My big toiletry bag had to come out. And then these are all the clothes. And they're all rolled. I tried the burrito. I didn't make that. Yeah, no, that did not work. So what I have here, these are the clothes. Here's the shoes. Here is the swimsuits, extra underwear. I want to put the toiletries over to the side. And that's just the toiletries that aren't in my toilet bag. Not much. And then the top goes over. I still don't have my Amazon Fire. I will be taking that, but I'll show you where that goes. And so, let's see. Oh, good, I did. Okay, moment of truth. I'm sure. Oh, come on. Please don't let me bust a zipper. And I'm just now. And this is the pocket for my Amazon Fire. And I believe that it will fit in there just fine. So that's the bag. I can't believe it fit that much stuff in it. Oh no, my dress. My dress might have to go on top. Oh, or wait a minute. Because there's another pocket. That might be better. To try and fold it without. I'm not rolling that. My fancy dress. It's easily wrinkled. So I'll try and put that in here along with the Amazon Fire. The only thing that I have left, and these will have to go in my husband's luggage. Please don't judge me. This is the electronics bag. I might be able to fit the jewelry in there. I'll see if I can do it. I might be able to fit this in there too. But that's the selfie stick. The rollers will have to go in his, and I should be able to fit this in there. So these, but not bad. Thank you for watching Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel. I am really liking this backpack so far, so we'll see how it does during the trip. Thank you. Like and subscribe.